This video will show you how to reset the maintenance required message on my 2017 Lexus RX350. This message is displayed for either oil change or scheduled maintenance. Let's begin. Make sure your car is on. Now press the back button on the steering wheel to exit out of the maintenance required message. Now press right until you get to the settings icon. Now go down to Vehicle Settings and press the center button to confirm. Here you can reset the scheduled maintenance or oil maintenance pop-up. If you want to reset the scheduled maintenance, go to Schedule Maintenance and hit Yes. For oil change reset, go down to Oil Maintenance and hit Yes. Now if you go back to the main dashboard, you'll see the maintenance required message is gone. That's it. It's that easy.